Welcome to our house. Come on in. Hey there, and welcome over here to my house tour. I'm really excited to be sharing my house with you today. It is something I have been wanting to do for the longest time. I just haven't gotten to do it yet just because, you know, I have been trying to put up pictures and I've just been trying to get fully moved in. But we live on a military base. My husband is not in the military. He's actually a contractor right now. So that's why we are living on the military base. There's no housing around it. The population of our town is about 200 people. So we have to live on the military base for right now, and we're just making do. Anyways, this house is kind of fun. There's a secret little hideaway, I like to call it, and I'm going to show you that at the very end. But if you are new here, I'd love to have you at my channel. So go ahead and subscribe down below the video. But I'm going to show you my house right now. To get us started off, here is the entryway to my house. I'm actually going to be showing you the front of my house towards the end, as well as this half bathroom. There's like a secret closet in there, and I'm going to show you that towards the end. Anyways, this house has it's like laminate floors. I think it's actually really pretty, and it's super easy to clean, so that's nice. But right off the entryway, we have a coat closet. It's definitely not organized. We just throw a lot of stuff in it. I also have a shoe rack in here. Ooh. And actually, these are all my shoes in here, but if you don't have a shoe rack like this, I suggest getting one. It just helps keep shoes organized. And then we have my vacuum, and that is it from our little closet off the entryway. Now you walk into here, and up here you have the second floor, but we're not going to go up there yet. So this room is our living room as well as Brinley's playroom. You will see a couple of baby gates around my house. That is just because Brinley, my daughter, I just don't want her to go up the stairs when I'm not watching her, just for safety. And then I also have one going into the kitchen. Again, that's just for safety. But typically we have them open. Anyways, here is her playroom. We don't quite have a playroom for her, so we just use this little corner space for it, and it actually works out perfect. So we have her little jumper right here. She's outgrown that jumper, but we just don't know where to put it, so that's where it's going to be for now. And then we have some more of her cute little toys. And now you see this little bin, and I actually got this bin from IKEA, I think for about $65 or something, and then the bins that go inside were about $5 each. I really love it, and I think it's super cute. But in these bins, I just put things like Brinley's books, her headbands, I don't know, just mainly things for Brinley, like wipes and toys. And it's really nice because when I have people over, I could just hurry and throw things in these bins, and then my house looks somewhat clean other than having toys everywhere. So I love this bin box. And then over here is our little, I guess, TV family room area. So all we have is this entertainment center. It is super nice. It is Ashley Furniture brand, but I actually got it at a furniture store locally here. It was around, I think, $540. You know, it is pretty expensive, but I really do like this one because I can hide things in here. I just got it actually a couple weeks ago, but it's really nice because I could, like I said, hide things so people don't see my clutter and my mess. And then on top here, you know, you probably won't see very much Thanksgiving fall things just because I don't have very many fall decorations. So we have these two pumpkins. My mom actually got them for me. My mom got me a bunch of decorations just because she's great at decorating. Anyways, now this is my couch. We've had this couch for a few years now. It's not the most high-end ever, but we really do love it, and it is good at hiding messes, especially Brinley's messes. And then over here above the couch, we have Brinley's newborn pictures. We've had these pictures for a while, and I just think they look nice above the couch. And then Brinley just came in here to visit. Say hi. Will was watching her. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, now we're gonna go into this room over here. Like I said, here is the other baby gate. This is just our kitchen and our dining area. I've said this before, but this is the kitchen table that I have. It is my favorite furniture piece out of the entire house. My dad made it for me by his hand, so it's homemade, and I just think it is so nice. And it's super beautiful, and it's pretty big and heavy and solid. So it is just like, it fits perfectly in here, and it really does fill this room in. And he also made us this cute little bench. It is just so nice. I could rant and rave about it all day. And then back here is just our backyard. There's really not much to see, but I'll show you. We just have a little cement pad, and then this is our little backyard table. This is actually our dining room chair. We need to bring it in the house, but we just have 2 lawn chairs, a little bit of grass, Brinley's splash thingy, I don't know, it's just one of her toys, and then a barbecue grill. Anyways, we actually do share this house with people next door. I guess you'd call it a duplex or a shared house, something like that. Anyways, it's a pretty nice little backyard for right now. And then moving into the actual kitchen area where all the yummy meals happen, I have my electric stove, which I actually love this stove so much. Electric stoves like this are super, super easy to clean, so I really do love that. And then I just have some pictures. I'll love you. I got this a couple years ago from Hobby Lobby. Same with this one, is from Hobby Lobby. And then also this one is from Hobby Lobby. So obviously I shop at Hobby Lobby for my pictures a lot. And I don't know, this kitchen is super nice. It's actually the biggest kitchen that I have ever had, so I really do love it. It has a lot of storage space. I got this Yum sign, if you're wondering. It does appear in a lot of my videos. I got it from Target in the dollar section last fall. Moving over here, we have our pantry space. It is just like double pantry cabinets like this. They're a little bit cluttered right now. It is embarrassing to even show you, but I don't know, I just love this area so much. I could just store so much food in it, and at first I didn't think it was very much storage, but it really has impressed me. But that is kind of an overview of my kitchen area. It's, I guess some people would call it small, but to me it is way bigger than anything I ever had and what I had previously, so I really do love it. And then off of the kitchen, there is a door right here, and this just leads to our washer and dryer. It is a little bit of a mess in here just because, you know, washer and dryer room. We just have some storage up here, and then out here is our garage. I just keep my car in the garage, and then a bunch of Brinley's toys. Oh my goodness, she has a lot of toys. And then we have our deep freeze and bikes. You know, there's not much to see in there. It's just a 1-car garage. And then over here, this is typically where we kick off our shoes. I really do love this extra little storage area right here. It does give us a lot of space. So, like I said, we kick off our shoes here. I have extra storage for who knows what, you know, just like some big appliances. And that really is it for this area. This is the washer and dryer I have, if you're wondering. And so far, I love it. We actually bought it at the scratch and dent section of our appliance store, so we got a good deal. So now I'm going to bring you back into the living area. There's Will and Brinley. They're just watching Baby Einstein. Brinley! Yeah! Say hi! Say hi! Yeah! Okay, and now I wanted to show you Will's favorite toy ever. This is his toy that he loves to use with Brinley. This is her Little Tykes Cozy Coop. She puts herself in there and typically shuts her own door. And then we always lock it. And then Will runs around the house with her like this. Now back out of the first baby gate that we came into the house, we're gonna make our way upstairs. And I do think these stairs are actually pretty nice for a military rental. I just think it's pretty how they have the white and then the wood. I don't know, I just think that's nice. But going up our stairs, you're gonna see multiple doors. So this is actually Brinley's room. I'm not gonna show you her room right now, but I might do a room tour of her room at some point because it is a super cute little nursery. So be on the lookout for her individual room tour. And then in here we have one full bathroom. It's just one sink. And then this is actually Brindley's bathroom, but she just has a bunch of her toys in the bathtub because typical, you know, baby type of thing. And then in here is my guest room. So when my family comes to visit, or Will's family, they could have this room to sleep in, and it just has a window. And then this is actually where I edit, or not edit, I guess I just do my voiceovers here for YouTube. So this is my little office space, but I'm actually planning on sanding this desk down and then repainting it. So I have all the stuff right here. I actually got this desk used from a guy near our house for about $40. It's a really nice solid wood desk and I love it, but I just really want to paint it. I'm planning on doing like a deep green and a white. I just think it would be really pretty. Anyways, if you're wondering what these things are, they're like sound things. So when I'm doing my voiceovers for YouTube, my room doesn't sound as echoey. Okay, now over here we're just going to be going into the master bedroom. So in this door, it is like a huge hallway, and first you have the bathroom. Nothing too spectacular about the bathroom. It is just one sink, a potty, and then the shower. Seriously, couldn't get more basic than that. And now we have our walk-in closet. This is actually huge. It is super messy, so I don't even want to show you. It's just messy because we have stuff we want to give away too, so you know, that's my excuse for it. And now we have our master bed. It is very white. I am not an interior decorator. I am not anything of that nature. As you could tell, I am so bad with design and that type of thing, but it's very basic and plain, which is fine with me. But we just got these 2 nightstands. Will has one on his side from RC Willie, it's called. It's a local furniture store here in Utah, and we really like it. This is the matching dresser we have, and then the matching mirror right here. It is super pretty, and it's just nice. We put all of our furniture, or we put all of our clothes in there. I just think it looks gorgeous. And then here's Will's side. Like I said, it is not stunning in here. It's nothing spectacular. Oh, here's our engagement picture. This is supposed to be above our bed right there, but obviously we haven't put it up yet. I'm wanting to get a rug for under here, but you know, you don't realize how expensive rugs are until you try to go buy one. They're like hundreds of dollars, and nobody has money for that. Okay, this is our master bedroom. I am done in here, and now we're gonna make our way back over here and down the stairs. We've made our way back down the stairs and into the half bathroom that I was leaving as a little bit of a secret. So all it is one sink and then a half bath. You know, it's perfect for what we need right now. And then you look over, what? Here's a little secret closet. I was like stumped on this at first, but there's like a bunch of room for storage in here. We have it packed right there. That's Brindley's potty training potties. No, they've never been used. It's not yucky, but it's just, you know, a bunch of storage space we have in there. It's like storage space under the stairs, but it's kind of like a secret closet, and I love it. I was wanting to put carpet under there at first and make it a little like play area, but Will told me we needed it for storage, so it is our storage room. And now I'm going to show you the front of the house. And now here is the front of our house. Obviously we got some Amazon packages and Brindley's already trying to bust through them, but we just have our flowers out here, and then our house from the front looks exactly like their houses, so nothing much to see. I just have some basil right here. Brindley likes to pick my basil. I really do suggest growing homemade basil though. It's really great in recipes. Fresh herbs are always the yummiest. But Rinley, say thanks for watching our house tour. Yeah. And that is a wrap of this video today. I hope you guys all enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing my little nest here in Utah. As always, if you are new here, I'd love to have you over at my channel, and I will see you guys in Friday's video. Bye for now.